Forgotten username recovery failed on Revolut Junior Fix. If your Revolut Junior username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Revolut Junior still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Revolut Junior relies on the parent or guardian's registered email as the main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and select the Junior account section. Enter the parent or guardian's registered email instead of a username. If you're unsure which email was used, check your inbox for past messages from Revolut, such as account updates, alerts, or notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to that email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email does appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in using the same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access the account, contact Revolut support directly. Provide your full name, the child's name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their child's account is lost or locked, but the truth is simple. Revolut Junior removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and your child's funds are safe. Use the registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing the Revolut Junior account in minutes.